We are Barry's family. We have a house in Maryland that needed renovation sooner than later, especially kitchen and bathrooms that had the most wear and tear. We did our research to look for a company that had the best team and the reviews. That's how we found KBR. Matt was the head of the team as a product manager in KBR. He was also the point of contact all the way to the end. He was very attentive from the first day. We were picked up from the airport as we were coming from out of town. He took us to the showroom at their place in Bethesda. He gave us a general information on high-end products and stunning design ideas. He was very detailed with his presentation, and we were able to understand how all this thing would work before the project started. They held on to their promise and completed the work as expected without any delay. When we had the final walkthrough, we couldn't believe how beautiful and contemporary the house looked. The new kitchen has totally transformed the space and enhanced how we use it. We would like to thank the whole team for meeting our expectations and giving us fantastic kitchen and luxurious master bathroom that really has the wow factor. Thank you, KBR.